When a Jamaican use the word Bomboclaat, Bomboclaat is a word we get used very often in a Jamaican culture. Whether Jamaicans are happy or they're sad, they use the word Bomboclaat very often and very proudly. So we are going to give you some example of how we use the word Bomboclaat in the happy ways and in the sad ways. Check it out. Bomboclaat! Yo, look on the goal there. Bomboclaat! Yo, you see the goal dog? What a Bomboclaat goal that the man just scored, dog! Bomboclaat! Yo, what the Bomboclaat wrong with you, man? Don't Bomboclaat fuck with me, no more. Mash up your Bomboclaat in a boy. Hey, don't make me mash up. Hey, don't. Hey. So yeah, here you get it. We use it in an angry moment, we use it in a sad moment. And if you like Jamaican vibes, make sure you follow us, lock in with the vibes, don't left it out, ends out, and I'm out.